Today, I am reviewing the BenQ W2720i 4K LED Smart Home Theater Projector. If at any time you'd like to explore this projector for yourself, be sure to check the link in the description. If you're building a home cinema in 2025 and want something that delivers incredible 4K visuals, outstanding color accuracy, and smart streaming features right out of the box, then the BenQ W2720i 4K LED Smart Home Theater Projector is a strong contender. This projector brings together premium visual performance with intelligent features and audio integration, all in a sleek, user-friendly package designed for home entertainment lovers. Let's start with what matters most: image quality. The BenQ W2720i offers true 4K UHD resolution, which means you get a crystal clear image at 3,840 by 2160 pixels. Every detail is sharp, whether you're watching movies, streaming shows, or gaming. But what really sets it apart is how it handles color and contrast. Thanks to BenQ's cinematic color technology, this projector is factory calibrated to deliver 90% DCI, P3 and 98% Rec. .709 color coverage, with an ultra-precise delta E less than 3. That means what you see on screen is incredibly close to the director's original vision, with rich, accurate, and lifelike tones right out of the box. No extra tweaking needed. And here's where the AI Cinema mode steps in. This is a smart, adaptive feature that automatically adjusts color settings based on the ambient lighting in your room and the type of content you're watching. If you're in a dark room watching a moody thriller, the projector boosts dark tones for dramatic contrast. If you're watching a bright animated film during the day, it dynamically enhances color and brightness. This level of adaptability ensures you're always getting the optimal picture without having to dive into complicated settings. In terms of brightness, the W2720i delivers 2,500 ANSI lumens, which is strong enough for a vibrant, clear image in dim or moderately lit rooms. Combined with the advanced LED light source, you get consistent brightness without flicker and no need to replace lamps every few years. In fact, the LED has an estimated lifespan of up to 30,000 hours, so you're looking at well over a decade of regular use without degradation in picture quality. When it comes to HDR support, the W2720i doesn't hold back. It supports HDR10, HDR10+, and HLG, meaning you're getting deeper blacks, brighter whites, and better contrast in HDR content. Whether you're watching movies on a Blu-ray disc, streaming from Netflix, or tuning into sports content. But what's a great picture without great sound, right? The BenQ W2720i supports eARC, Dolby Atmos pass-through, and 7.1 channel surround sound integration. That means you can connect it directly to a high-end sound system or soundbar and enjoy immersive cinematic audio that fills the room. Plus, it comes with 3 HDMI 2.1 ports, SPDIF output, and full HDCP 2.3 support, ensuring compatibility with the latest gaming consoles, Blu-ray players, and AV receivers. Another big win for convenience is that this projector comes with Android TV built in. That means you can stream Netflix, YouTube, Prime Video, and more. No external streaming device needed. You also get Google Assistant support and voice control, making it easier than ever to search and control playback. BenQ didn't stop there. The W2720i also features auto screen alignment and digital keystone correction, so setting it up, even in a slightly off-center position, is quick and easy. Whether you're sealing, mounting it, or placing it on a shelf, this projector adapts.